Hey, eighth graders that are absent today. Boy, we sure miss you and can't wait for you to be back with us. We are finishing up our chapter 2 today. We're kind of doing something fun with a partner assembly line. So I pared it back a little bit for those of you working at home without partners. But I think it will still be an effective way for you to learn the new information. As always, if you have questions, let me know. But let's take a look at the to-do list for today. And it just goes through step by step right here what you should do. Posted in Classroom is what's called Chapter 2, Lesson 4, Competing for Colonies. Spain and Portugal are not the only people in the race to claim new lands. Now we're going to get France and the Netherlands and Great Britain, and everybody's going to be fighting over new lands. It's going to be so fun to learn about. So the first set says to read page 49. Okay, after you read page 49, you're going to watch this video about the Reformation, and hopefully as you watch it, your bells are going off in your head like, oh yeah, I remember when Mr. Van came in yesterday as Martin Luther and explained those 5 solas to us. You may need a password to watch that video, so use this information right there. Then on your lesson, or on your assignment, after reading that page and watching that assignment or that video, answer question 1 and 2. Okay, so I'm just chunking the assignment for you. Then after that, please read page 50 and 51 and watch these 2 videos about explorers looking for the Northwest Passage. Then go back to your assignment and answer questions 3, 4, 5, and 6. And just continue. Page 52, and then answer questions 7 and 8. Read page 53, and then answer the rest of the questions on the assignment, and then submit it. Make sure, because you are 8th grade historians, before you submit, you reread your answers. Did you start with a capital letter? Did you end with a period? Did you write well? Did you write everything that you knew about that answer? So do your very best. Let me know if you have any questions. Here's the good news. On Friday, we are going to be working on a study guide because we have a test next week coming up. Just thought you would like to know that. All right, have a great day, Chargers.